How to make TikTok duet video. So if you want to make TikTok duet videos, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. And once you open your TikTok, now for example, I'll be choosing the first video that pops up in my screen. And now after opening your TikTok, now I'll be choosing the first video. So you can simply choose any video that you would like to make the duet on. So after choosing the video, here on the bottom right, you will have a share icon. Tap on share, and if you scroll right or swipe right, you will have duet option. Simply tap on duet. So you can simply choose any duet that you would like. You will have 4 options. So on the first, you can record yourself or another person in the foreground, or on the second, you will be having this left or right position, and here it will be a react video, and in the last you will have top and bottom faces type of duet. So from here you can simply start the recording by tapping on the red button, and once you've done, you can simply tap on the tick, which is on the bottom right, and from here you can tap on post, which is on the bottom right again, and once you tap on post, your post will be uploaded. So that's it. That's how you make TikTok duet videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.